Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change language in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to General Management and click on Language and click on Add Language and select any other language here. I select Tamil. And if you click on keep current, it will be listed under English. If you click on set as default, it will be directly applied. I click on keep current and it is now listed below English. In this way you can also add some other language. Click on add language again and select other language. I select this language and now I click on set as default, so it is directly applied. It comes to the first position. Okay, if you would like to add another language, click on add language again and here select another language and that will be added. Okay, so in this way you can add more language. If you would like to activate English language, you have to bring English language to the first position. Okay, just tap on it, long press on it and bring it to the first position and go back and yes, it is activated. Okay, so English language is now come back to the first position and it is activated. If you would like to activate Tamil, click on Tamil and click on apply and yes, it is applied now. Okay, so you can also select the particular language and click on apply and it will be directly come to the first position. Okay, suppose if you want to remove the language that you have added here, just click on edit and select the languages to be removed and click on remove and they will be removed. Yes, so in this way you can easily change language in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.